Hi guys, so I'm gonna show you today on how to prevent this nail heads from rusting and bleeding through, because if you don't treat those nails properly, they eventually become rusty and it will bleed through the paint to the top coat. So this is a small boating club building, and this is close to the sea, so metals are easily to get rusty, and this is the problem why we are repainting this building, because those, as you see here, those nail heads, they are very rusty. So what we do is we prime them first, we sand it down, remove as much as possible all the rust, and then prime it with an epoxy primer. So this is an epoxy primer. So epoxy primer, which is 2-pack, which is A and B, when it will dry, it will be very hard. See, I can feel it is really very hard. It's different from all acrylic or water-based primer, because water-based primer is very soft. There's always tendency that the rust will uh, bleed through the primer, and once you top coat it, you can still see a lot of bleeding in here going down, color brown, rusty bleeding. So you don't want that on your top coat. So I suggest that use a epoxy metal primer, which is a two pack, A and B, and because it's very good. See, it's very hard, and it's it's preventing the rust to come through to your top coat. So the owner of this building, they put a oil based primer and still bleed through. So that's why we are using the um, epoxy metal primer. So this is, guys, so I will show you later on the paint that we use. So guys, this is the epoxy primer that we use. It's called Armor Coat number 221. So it's resin brand from New Zealand, and this is the A and this is the B. So it is a 2-pack system. So um, four part of the A and 1 part of the B. So this is 4 liters and this is 1 liter. So for the ratio is 4:1. The difficult part of using an epoxy paint is that you really have to be careful with your ratio of the A and B, because there's a tendency that if you less hardener, because this is the hardener, the B, if you less hardener, the paint might not dry properly, or it will take time to dry, or if you also over the hardener, there always also a tendency that your paint will not also dry. So you have to be careful, and it is advisable to use a measuring cup like this. So there's a gauge, can you see that there's numbers in there? So we use this to make it sure that the ratio will be followed properly. And the only thing also, because you are this is an epoxy one, is a solvent cleaning. So you need to use a solvent to clean all your brushes and all your rollers. So we're using this Tina right there. So yeah, so if you are in New Zealand or in Australia, this is very good to use on how to prevent those nail heads from bleeding through. Thank you guys for watching, and this is the building that we are painting now.